Hi all, welcome to another episode of At the Store Open Sea Fishing Tackles. Today we have range of Strike Pro lures to show you. Uh, we have some really good kick-ass result producing lures at our store right now. The Strike Pro is a Taiwan brand which is making lures from last 30 or more years. So we have some really great lures uh, which are made in Taiwan. Brand is from Taiwan. So let's go one by one. So in Strike Pro we have a wide lures. These are the Strike Pro flapjacks. Flapjacks are vibration lures. Uh, you have to use this differently. These are sinking lures. They sink in the water. You can use this while continuous retrieve, then twitch and retrieve. These lures have rattle inside and they vibrate while you twitch or while you are reeling in the lure. So they have crazy noise. The rattle is amazing. Just like this, they vibrate in the water while you are retrieving the lures. These lures you can use. They sink very slow. They are not fast sinkers. They sink very slow. Like this, they will sink. While sinking also, they will wobble like this, and lot of light will reflect from these lures. So you can use this for jigging as well. You can use this as a spinning. You can use this in fresh water as well. You can catch. You can target masi with this wave lures. You can catch. I have personally used this lure for snappers and groupers. Very good and effective lure. So we have two flapjacks variants in this right now in our store. So these are two amazing variants are there right now with us. Definitely give it a try. They are really good, producing, giving good results. Strike Pro flapjacks. Uh, Next in line is Strike Pro Challenger X. Again, amazing lures. See, the design is different itself. So we have uh, 11 grams, 8.7 centimeter excluding the lip. These are Challenger X. The diving depth of these are 1.2 meters. Amazing design. You can target baras and snappers with this lure. So perfect bait fish colors are there. You can see the glaze. The finish is amazing. Finish is awesome. The rattle, good rattle. You can definitely, if you are planning for barras and snappers, these are the lures. The diving depth is again 1.2 meters. You can use this for spinning. And we have Challenger X 11 centimeters. So the diving depth of this lure is crazy, 9 meters. It dives at 9 meters. You can use this for trolling as well. The rattle is kick-ass. The weight of this lure is 23 grams. Diving depth is from 4 to 5 meters, not 9 meters, 4 to 5 meters. But you can use this for slow troll. You can target a lot of great fish with this. So this is Challenger X, Strike Pro Challenger X, 1.2 meters diving depth and 5 meters diving depth. Definitely try this lures. Then we have Strike Pro Mustang Minnows 120. These are really effective lures for barras. People have caught in the Mumbai area. People have caught like really good size barras on these lures. So these are suspending lures, as you can see. We have two colors in this, two really great colors. So I will show you the lures. I'll unbox. Strike Pro Mustang Minnow. Really good rattle and the shine as well. The diving depth of these is 0.4 meters. They are shallow divers, but they are suspending. So once you pull them, once you retrieve, they'll go down and they'll stay at that depth. And they'll again start, when you start really retrieving in, they'll again start from that depth. So amazing Strike Pro Mustang Minnow, good for barras and snappers. Like 17 kgs barras have caught, people have caught on these lures. So really great lures if you want to target like really big species. And then we have Strike Pro Monster, Strike Pro Sea Monster. We had lot of variants in this popper and people were going mad. The best thing about this popper is right now we only have this one color available with us. So best thing about this popper is the design. Design helps you to cast it further away. There is one at the rear treble loop. There is a feather to attract more fish, and the special thing, this popper has gills. If you can see closely, this popper has gills. When the water goes into the mouth, it comes through its gills and it creates a really kick-ass popping sound. The action is also amazing. So we had almost 3 or 4 colors in this, but now all the colors are sold out. We have only this color, and also I guess only 2 or 3 pieces are there in the stock right now. So this is really up for grab, guys. Don't miss out. I don't know when the new consignment will come, so don't miss on these poppers. Then we have Strike Pro Slingshot Minnows. This is 12 centimeters. We have only one variant left, red and silver. Again, if you want to, if you are fishing in shallower areas, rocky areas, with 3 treble hooks, this lure is kick-ass. The snappers will go mad after this lure. You can see the shine. Strike Pro Slingshot Minnow. The diving depth is 0.3 meters, which is really shallow. Perfect. If you are beginner also, if you are you don't know, if you are starting for the first time, also if you are pro and you want to fish shallow water, there are a lot of rocks, you can go for this lure. Only 0.3 meters and with 3 treble hooks, the hookup ratio is great. So this is Strike Pro Slingshot Minnow with red and silver color. Then we have Strike Pro Magic Minnow 10 centimeters. We have only golden color left right now with us, but this color is also selling out fast. This is go-to color for barras and snappers again. The rattle is kick-ass. If you observe all the Strike Pro lures, they have amazing shine, amazing rattle and amazing shine. So this Slingshot Minnow, Magic Minnow, is the diving depth of this minnow is 1.2 meters. So really great lure with the weight of this lure is 13.5 grams. So it will cast at a decent distance, and you can retrieve it and it will dive up to 1.2 meters depth. Best colors, the belly is orange. The best color for barra, what I feel. So these are all the Strike Pro range we have at our stock. Do check our website and do visit our store if you want to buy these lures. Thanks a lot, guys. Happy fishing and practice catch and release.